Hello friends, today we will do question answers of chapter number 15, The Coming of the British. Question number 1, who discovered a new sea route to India and when? Answer, in 1498 CE, Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, discovered a new sea route to India via the Cape of Good Hope. Question number 2. Where did the Battle of Plassey took place and between whom? What was the result? Answer. The Mughal Empire gradually weakened after the death of Aurangzeb in 1707 CE, and the English East India Company became more ambitious. They wanted to take control over various parts of India. They first wanted to bring Bengal under their control because it was the richest province in the country. This was the reason behind the Battle of Plassey that took place in 1757. It was between British and Nawab of Bengal. The British under Robert Clive emerged victorious. Question number 3. What was the immediate cause of the revolt of 1857? Answer. The immediate cause of the revolt was the introduction of the Enfield rifle. The cartridge of the rifle had a greased cover which had to be beaten before use. It was believed that this cover was greased with the fat of cows and pigs. This offended the religious sentiments of both Hindus and Muslims, as Hindus are not permitted to eat beef, and Muslims are not permitted to eat pork. So, the Indian soldiers refused to use this cartridge. Question number 4. Discuss one effect of the revolt in 1857. Answer. The revolt was a turning point in the history of India. The rule of the English East India Company ended and was replaced by the rule of British Crown. Queen Victoria was declared the Empress of India, and it was decided that henceforth her viceroys would govern India on her behalf. Question number 5. What was the early nationalist phase of the Indian National Congress? Answer. The Indian National Congress (INC) was India's first political party, and people from various backgrounds joined it. The INC was formed to draw the attention of the British government to the problems faced by the Indians. It did so through prayers and petitions. This was the early nationalist phase. Extra questions. Question number 1. When did the Battle of Buxar took place and between whom? Answer. The Battle of Buxar took place in 1764. It was fought between the Nawab of Bengal, Nawab of Awadh, and the Mughal Emperor on one side and the British on other. The British emerged victorious again. Thus Bengal finally came under British rule. Question number 2. Write in brief about subsidiary alliance. Answer. The subsidiary alliance was introduced by Lord Richard Wellesley, who was the Governor-General of India from 1798 to 1805. According to terms of the subsidiary alliance, Indian rulers under British protection had to give up their native armies and instead maintain British troops within their states. The rulers had to give control of their foreign affairs to the British. In return, the English East India Company protected them from the attacks of their rivals. Thank you, friends.